had a quite serious sciatic pain. I could barely walk for about 50 meters. Then I would have a very sore on my right leg.
我的两边的膝盖呢很痛，走路有一点一拐一拐。
我之前是有腰椎疼痛问题，行走比较困难了。
我的腰到我的脚，整个脚是不能走，会直接很痛很痛。所以我走路的时候要用拐杖。所以我的朋友他就介绍我到 Low Physio 来做 treatment， 做了几次 treatment 呢，我现在可以不用拐杖走路，也走得很好。
经过 Low Physiotherapy 帮我调整之后，我慢慢的康复了。
With their help to do the physio, currently I can walk again for 3 to 5 kilometers without any problem. Everything is back to normal.
Low Physiotherapy 的所有工作人员很有耐心的听我们讲我们的情况，我很谢谢。
感谢 Low Physiotherapy 帮我恢复我的行走能力。
So I'm very appreciative of their care and also their expertise in helping me get back to my normal life.